Every day, thousands of people wake up and look in the mirror, asking the same question. Why won't this belly fat go away? They've tried everything. Counting calories, avoiding fat, running for hours. They've even fallen for the 1 tablespoon a day miracle claims. And yet, nothing changes. It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you lack willpower. It's because most of what you've been told about fat loss is wrong. You've been given half-truths, like eat less, move more. But no one explained how your body actually burns fat. That ends today, because once you understand how your body truly works, you'll never feel stuck again. Your body isn't your enemy. It's trying to protect you. It stores fat for one reason: survival. It thinks, I don't know when food is coming next. Better save energy. For thousands of years, that instinct kept us alive. But today, food is everywhere. We eat from sunrise to midnight. Breakfast, snacks, coffee, dinner, dessert. The emergency never ends, so the body keeps storing, but never gets the signal to release. That's why belly fat builds up, and why you feel like your metabolism has shut down. To truly lose fat, you have to create a moment of need, a small window where your body says, wait a second, I need fuel. Let's use what's stored. But here's the catch. If your insulin is always high, if your body is flooded with sugar, that door to fat burning stays locked. So the goal is not to starve. It's to unlock your body's natural fat burning mode again. Now let's talk about what blocks that process. Because if fat loss feels impossible, there's a reason. There are 3 main enemies that silently work against you. The first is insulin resistance, the silent lock. Every time you eat sugar or refined carbs, your insulin rises. At first, that's normal. Insulin helps move sugar into your cells. But when it happens all the time, your cells stop listening. So, your body produces even more insulin, trying to force the door open. Eventually, it's like shouting at someone who's wearing noise-canceling headphones. The signal's there, but nothing's happening. And when insulin stays high, fat burning shuts down completely. No matter how hard you work, the body simply won't touch its reserves. One viewer said it best. Once I understood insulin resistance, everything changed. They didn't just lose weight. They lost the cravings, the fatigue, and the frustration. The second enemy is stress, the hidden sugar maker. When your mind feels under attack, your body prepares for danger. It releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol breaks down muscle into glucose, instant fuel, because your brain thinks you might have to run or fight. Even if you're sitting perfectly still, your body believes you're in a battle. So blood sugar rises, insulin rises, and once again, fat burning stops. That's why stressful days make you crave sugar. Your body is literally begging for fast energy. But stress doesn't just live in your head. It lives in your chemistry. That's why meditation, prayer, and calm breathing aren't just wellness tricks. They're biological tools to restore balance. One retired nurse said it beautifully. When I manage my stress, fasting feels easy. And the third enemy, carb dependence. From childhood, we're taught that carbs are energy. Cereal for breakfast, sandwich for lunch, pasta for dinner, carbs, carbs, carbs. The problem? Your body starts depending on them. It forgets how to burn fat because it never needs to. You eat, blood sugar spikes, insulin follows, energy crashes, and you crave more carbs to feel normal again. Breaking that cycle takes time. But once it happens, everything changes. You'll feel a calm, steady energy all day. No highs, no crashes, no afternoon fog. You'll feel free. So, what's the solution? How do you reverse these patterns and finally teach your body to burn fat again? Let's go step by step. The simple, proven action plan that has changed millions of lives. Step 1. Cut the sugar. Sugar is not just food. It's a drug. It lights up the same pleasure centers in your brain as cocaine. The more you eat, the more you crave. Cutting sugar breaks the addiction. Within days, your energy changes. Within weeks, your skin clears. Within months, your waistline follows. An 82-year-old woman wrote, I started keto and fasting. I've lost 50 pounds and got my life back. If she can do it, so can you. Step 2. Reduce carbs the right way. You don't have to cut everything overnight. Start small. Replace bread, pasta, and rice with real food. Vegetables, eggs, fish, meat, olive oil. Lowering carbs drops insulin levels, and for the first time in years, your body can finally reach its fat stores. Many people find their energy levels even out. No more roller coaster, just calm focus. Step 3, exercise, but do it smart. Exercise is not punishment. It's a message to your body. It says, we're alive, we move, we need energy. But pushing too hard, hours of high-intensity training, can backfire by raising cortisol. The sweet spot? Move often, but calmly. Walk, bike, swim, garden, dance. That's 90% of what your body truly needs. Then, once or twice a week, add short bursts of effort. Sprints, resistance. Quick challenges. As one viewer said, I can see my belly change depending on how stressful my day was. And she's right. Calm movement burns more fat than frantic effort. Step 4. Manage stress. We can't avoid stress, but we can control how our body reacts. Take 1 minute before eating. Breathe deeply. Feel gratitude. Let your heart slow down. When cortisol drops, insulin follows. When insulin drops, fat burning returns. One viewer wrote, when I'm at peace, I eat less without even trying. That's the power of internal balance. Step 5. Rethink protein. For decades, we were told to eat lean. Lean chicken, lean beef, no fat. But lean protein often makes you hungrier. It's not satisfying. When you add healthy fat, olive oil, avocado, butter, or skin on chicken, you stay full longer and eat less naturally. Protein and fat together tell your brain, I'm nourished. And when you're nourished, your body stops asking for snacks. Step 6. Add healthy fats. For years we feared them. But fat isn't the enemy. It's the solution. Good fats lower inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and teach your metabolism to run on steady fuel instead of sugar spikes. Avocados, nuts, olive oil, eggs, salmon. They keep you satisfied for hours. No crash, no cravings. Fat doesn't make you fat. Insulin does. Step 7. Fasting. This is where the magic happens. Fasting is not starvation. It's restoration. When you stop eating for a while, your body finally gets to work. Insulin drops. Growth hormone rises. Your cells clean house, and your body starts using fat, not sugar, as fuel. Start simple. Delay breakfast an hour, then 2. Soon, you'll naturally fall into an 8-hour eating window. And one day, you might notice you forgot to eat lunch because you weren't hungry. That's when you know your metabolism is healed. As one woman wrote, I'm eating less than ever, but I'm never hungry. That's not deprivation. That's freedom. All around the world, people are proving this works. From Mexico to Pakistan. From retired nurses to busy teachers. From people in their 20s to people in their 80s. They're reversing diabetes, getting off medications, losing 40, 50, even 70 pounds, and keeping it off. A man wrote, I was 320 pounds. Now I'm 230, and still going. Another said, my A1C dropped from 13 to 11. I'm 74. I'm getting my life back. These aren't fitness influencers. They're real people, and they're winning. So let's simplify the science behind all this. When insulin drops, fat burning turns on. When carbs go down, your body makes ketones, a cleaner fuel for brain and body. When stress decreases, cortisol falls, hunger disappears. When sleep improves, your hormones rebalance and your liver detoxifies. Your body isn't broken. It's just overloaded. Give it the right conditions, and it heals itself. The hardest part isn't starting. It's staying consistent. But once your energy changes, consistency becomes easy. You'll wake up lighter, clearer, calmer. Food stops being the center of your world. As one viewer said, make a healthy habit a routine, and your routine becomes your lifestyle. That's the key. Don't chase perfection. Chase balance. You don't need pills. You don't need powders. And you don't need to suffer. You just need to give your body what it's been asking for all along. A chance to do what it was designed to do, heal you. If this message helped you, share it with someone who's struggling, because one simple video can change a life. And if you want to keep learning how your body and mind truly work together, subscribe to the Wellness Bridge, because your body isn't your enemy. It's your most loyal ally.